Hey friends, I'm here today with another book review for you. This time I'm going to be reviewing Art Handbook. It's the techniques and projects for painting, coloring, and transforming stones. It's written by Samantha Sarle, and she goes by Color Made Happy on Instagram and her other social media accounts. She has the most colorful, happy painted rocks that I've seen, and her name really does match up to what she does. And I saw that she had posted that she was going to be writing her very first book, and I really wanted to check it out because I'm a big fan of her work. So I asked her, and she said that yeah, it would be more than great if I could do a review on it, and her publisher sent me a copy. As you can see, there's the publisher's note, and there's just so much color in this book. I really love just flipping through it and seeing all the inspiration. She has a ton of topics. She gives you an intro about who she is and what she does, and she gives you a lot of tips on how to get started. So this first chapter is all about just finding the rocks, because it is difficult finding a nicely smooth and round rock like this. I've tried looking in my neighborhood and it's not that easy. So she does give you a quick list of things that you can do to find these. On the next page, she'll show you that you can go to a garden center or a craft store. I mean, you could also go to the river, but I don't live anywhere near a river like this, so yeah, I'm not sure if maybe by the lake there might be some, but it's kind of cold right now to go check out the beach. Anyway, so she shows you how to prep the rocks and what kind of materials she uses specifically. So it really does feel like she's guiding you through the whole process. And here she gives you some color art theory, and it's just really nice that you have a good background to get started. And the sealants are for, finalizing your project and making it look nice and professional afterwards. And she does guide you through the different types of paints that you could use or different materials you could use to decorate. So I'm going to speed up the video now, and I will just catch you at the end of this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any feedback, please let me know in the comments down below. I will include all the information in the description. I have an Amazon link that will be specifically for the book, but also a special curated list of all the books that I really enjoy. It includes craft books and other creative books. And I've also added some fun gift guides if you're looking for something for a crafty friend or even for yourself. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye!